All right, more than a month after his wife disappeared and was presumed dead, Brian Walshe is appearing in court for a hearing this morning.
So he's accused of killing his wife, Anna Walshe. And while prosecutors have presented a lot of disturbing evidence in this case, her body has still not been found. They are still looking for that. NBC 10's Alicia Palumbo live for us in Quincy now with the update on the case. Alicia.
Good morning, Melody. This was just a very quick status conference this morning with both Brian Walshe and his attorney appearing virtually. But we did learn from prosecutors in this case that this case is going before a grand jury with an indictment potentially coming in mid to late March. The case of the Cohasset father of three accused of murdering his wife, Anna Walshe, before dismembering her and disposing of her body was back in Quincy District Court Thursday. But appearing over Zoom, defendant Brian Walshe had little to say.
Mr. Walshe, can you hear us okay?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Walshe pleaded not guilty when he was arraigned last month for his wife's murder. While Anna's body has not been found, prosecutors say investigators did find a bloody knife in the basement of the couple's home, as well as disturbing Google searches on their son's iPad, like 10 ways to dispose of a dead body. Then in dumpsters and trash from throughout the area, investigators allegedly found a blood-covered hacksaw, hatchet, cutting shears, and Tyvek suit with both Brian's and Anna's DNA on it, along with Anna's personal items.
My expectation is that this matter will be finished in the grand jury by the end of March, but hopefully mid-March.
As prosecutors work to indict Brian Walshe and send this case to Superior Court, Walsh's attorney is pushing for access to more evidence in the case as she works to prepare his defense.
We haven't even received the search warrants for my client's car, the inventories for search warrants. I mean, the basic stuff that we should have had like immediately, we don't have.
The next status conference in this case is scheduled for March 1st. Brian Walshe continues to be held without bail. We're live outside of Quincy District Court. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.